The Samsung Galaxy A37 5G is set to raise the bar in the mid-range smartphone category with a blend of powerful specs and premium features. It comes with a stunning 120Hz FHD plus Super AMOLED display, offering smooth scrolling and vibrant visuals that elevate both gaming and streaming experiences. At its heart lies the efficient Exynos 1750 processor, paired with 12 GB of RAM, ensuring seamless multitasking and strong performance across demanding apps. Storage won't be an issue either, thanks to a generous 256 GB capacity for photos, videos, and apps. For photography enthusiasts, the A37 5G packs a remarkable 200MP camera, designed to capture ultra-detailed shots with excellent clarity in any lighting condition. Powering the device is a massive 7,000 mAh battery, supported by 65W fast charging that gets you back up and running in no time. With these impressive features, the Samsung Galaxy A37 5G delivers the perfect balance of performance, endurance, and innovation, making it an exciting option for users who want more out of a mid-range phone.